making hearts with paper scraps, cutting shapes from old school maps, dark scissors and glue in hand, creating love from where we stand. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day craftsmanship. Ribbons twist and sparkle white, buttons glued with so much pride. Love no strong with red gel pens, handmade joy that never ends. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day craftsmanship. We don't need no fancy store, crafted love that means much more. Every heart a work of art, pieces glued straight from the heart. Sequins shine like in a dream, crafting partners make a team, laughing through the colored strands, hearts created by our hands. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day craftsmanship. Ribbons twist and sparkle white, buttons glued with so much pride. Love notes drawn with red gel pens, handmade joy that never ends. Cut and paste with love and smiles, sticky glue and paper piles, crafting hearts with silent cheers, fingers crossed through all the years. Glitter falls like twinkling stars, spreading joy to hearts afar. Colors clash in splendid blazes, memories trace all those phases. Handmade love for you today, crafted bright in my own way. Every fold and every line, this Valentine says you're mine. Scissors snip the sweetest notes, words of love on paper boats, floating through the sea of dreams, binding hearts with careful seams. Markers trace your name so fine, stitched within this heart of mine. Tape and ribbon twirl like dancers, crafted love, no second chances. Handmade love for you today, crafted bright in my own way. Every fold and every line, this Valentine says you're mine.